Hey, and welcome everybody to this edition of Techy's podcast. Today, we want to share some insights about the 2024 sales growth that we've had thus far, right? So we want to talk a little bit about domestic, right? We're going to talk a little bit about international. We're going to talk about some master partners. But really just wanted to give you an update about, hey, where we've gone, where are we going to come, and how good has 2024 been to the Techy brand?
It's awesome. It's been really, really, really great. And we're almost 6 months into this 2024. Can you believe that?
Flies.
Time flies when you're having fun.
Yeah.
So when you're having fun, 100%, it's been unbelievable. So so we got how many new stores are we at right now? I know we're opening up a lot of new stores in Texas.
Yeah.
We have a couple in Georgia, California.
Yep.
What's up? And Colorado.
No, it's been a tremendous year, and we're excited, and probably one of the best years within 6 months of being open, which is 10 plus years.
Yeah, we're nearly halfway to our goal, right? I think we set a goal of 45 new locations for 2024, and we're sitting at 21, right? Just brand new locations coming to new markets soon. So really encouraging, really excited about that. Some great owners coming into the brand. And, as you mentioned, some of these newer markets that we're just getting established in, Centennial, Colorado, right? Going to be a fantastic, subdivision of Colorado and did the Denver area. So really excited to get out there. Miami Gardens, close to home, right? We've been wanting that one for a long time, and it's finally coming
up,
in.
and we made sure we got it.
Yep, absolutely. So that's good. And then the Texas market is just absolutely booming.
Yeah, and the best part is last time we had a podcast, we talked about area developers.
Yep.
And what happened right after that podcast?
Boom.
We locked in an area developer for 10 locations. Yep. And that's why Texas is really exploding. So that's exciting to hear, too.
Actually, 12 locations, but yes.
Yeah.
And there's a couple more following up behind them, so amazing.
Super excited about that. And what's great is, we started in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, right? And we're heavy on the East Coast.
Always, yeah.
So it's exciting to see now we're going to be in Denver, Colorado. Yep. We're going to California. Yes, we do have stores, but we're starting to expand those markets too as well. So it's definitely been a great 6 months.